Cybersecurity, also known as computer security or information security, refers to the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, theft, damage, disruption, or any other malicious activities. It involves implementing measures to prevent, detect, and respond to cyber threats and ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Cybersecurity encompasses a wide range of technologies, processes, and practices aimed at safeguarding digital assets from various types of attacks and vulnerabilities. Here are some key aspects of cybersecurity. 1. Threats and attacks. Cybersecurity involves understanding and mitigating different types of threats and attacks. These can include malware, such as viruses, worms, and ransomware, phishing attacks, social engineering, denial of service, DOS, attacks, data breaches, insider threats, and advanced persistent threats, APTs. Cybersecurity professionals analyze and classify these threats to develop appropriate defense strategies. 2. Risk management. Risk management is an essential component of cybersecurity. It involves identifying potential risks and vulnerabilities in systems and networks, assessing their impact, and implementing controls to mitigate or minimize those risks. This includes conducting risk assessments, implementing security controls and policies, and regularly monitoring and updating security measures. 3. Network security. Network security focuses on protecting computer networks from unauthorized access and ensuring their confidentiality, integrity, and availability. It includes measures such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, IDS, virtual private networks, VPNs, network segmentation, and secure configurations. Network security aims to prevent unauthorized access, protect data transmission, and secure network infrastructure. 4. Application security. Application security involves securing software applications and systems against vulnerabilities and attacks. This includes secure coding practices, input validation, encryption, access controls, and regular security testing. Application security aims to identify and remediate software flaws and vulnerabilities to prevent exploitation by attackers. 5. Data security. Data security focuses on protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access, disclosure, alteration, or destruction. Encryption, access controls, data backup, and secure data storage are some common measures used to ensure data security. Data classification and data loss prevention (DLP) techniques help organizations manage and protect their data effectively. 6. Identity and access management. IAM involves managing user identities, authentication, and access privileges to systems, networks, and data. It includes practices such as strong password policies, multi-factor authentication (MFA), role-based access control (RBAC), and privileged access management (PAM). IAM helps ensure that only authorized individuals can access resources and helps prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. 7. Incident response. Incident response refers to the process of detecting, responding to, and recovering from cybersecurity incidents. It involves developing an incident response plan, establishing incident handling procedures, conducting forensic investigations, and implementing remediation actions. Effective incident response minimizes the impact of security breaches and helps organizations recover quickly. 8. Security awareness and training. Cybersecurity is not solely a technical domain, but also involves creating a security-conscious culture within organizations. Security awareness and training programs educate employees about security best practices, phishing awareness, password hygiene, and safe browsing habits. These programs help individuals understand their role in maintaining cybersecurity and reduce the risk of human error. The field of cybersecurity is dynamic and constantly evolving due to the ever-changing threat landscape. Cybersecurity professionals work to stay updated on emerging threats, technologies, and defense mechanisms to protect systems and data from evolving risks.